welcome. Come and join us. Come and relax with Freddie. Where is he? Here he is. Freddie and myself. Let's make a little mushroom journal for our little fairies that I'm making. Here's the little fairies. Let me show you how I make the mushroom journal. And you can be thinking, what fairy, if you would like to be in the mushroom journal, the mushroom fairy journal, let me know in the comments below. For instance, just today on the live, Mary Ann said she wanted an origami crane in her hair. Got various ones, various ones in progress here. So let me know what you would like to be. Oh, I don't know who that is, that one. I haven't written it down. There's another little fairy there. I do these simple little drawings. If you go to part 1 of the live replay this morning, you'll be able to see. Oh, look, there's Melissa Sue. And she's got paints and knitting needles and pens and little threads. So yeah, let me know what you would like to be. Kimberly would like to have a frog in her basket. Oh, they're all little baskets on their heads. Yes. So yeah, let me know below, won't you? So if you go back to part 1, you'll see me from a distance making these, because you can't get really close, can you? I'm trying to mock up a live stream so we can just spend a bit of cozy time together. Get yourself a nice cup of tea. I've got one of these magazines. They come free in the paper, or you get them in the supermarkets. The paper's nice and thin. So because it gets strong, it's literally only got one of the staples in because I go across there with papers and tape and that, and it seems to hold together really. So then I made myself a template. So that's the template. I can put a picture of this template on my community tab. Do you know it's not called the community tab anymore, is it? I can't think what it's called. Anyway, it's like this, a mushroom shape, but this is, you know, like when you make those paper dolls, you have to have a bit that helps it join. So I've got my magazine and I'm going to put this template up to there. This is the bit that you don't cut, so that's the join. So let's get a pen and let me know what fairy you would like to be in the journal. Also, and then what I will do as well is I will do randomnumber.org, and I will send you also a little postcard with a picture of you dressed up as a little fairy too. So that's 2 things. What fairy would you like to be? And would you like a little postcard too? So I'll do a random number. So that's that there. So it's joined here. So that's the hinge. So I'm going to, let's see if those scissors, I don't want to spoil those ones. Let's get these ones. Let's see if I can, oh yes, it's so thin, this magazine. That you can do this. Just cut round. Like this. It's been bent up in my bag. We go for a walk on a Monday with our friends Steve and Leslie, and they give me this magazine. See, I can't cut and think at the same time. That's it. It's very simple. Keeping life simple. A little fairy mushroom magazine. Or yours could be like to put quotes in, couldn't it? Whatever you'd like. There you go. And it starts off, oh no, hold on, this bit here, because you need to make it look mushroom stalky. Didn't go round all my, that's it. There you go. It is mushroom shaped. Can you see it better like that? There we are. That's what it starts out like, and then it ends up like this. Is that just a piece of paper? Oh, this bit hasn't been cut yet. It's a work in progress. Always be yourself. Unless you can be a fairy, then always be a fairy. Oh. That's lovely. Absolutely lovely. So yes, I've got it. It's as simple as that. A little how to make a little shape. I love making shaped journals. I keep the patterns all up on there. So, oh, that's lovely. Got my cup of tea here. Oh, that is lovely. I've got some quotes here. I have this wonderful origami pocket from LEB. Isn't it wonderful? You fold it, it's a square paper, you fold it that way, and then you turn it over and fold it that way, and it makes a lovely pocket for your journal. I love that. I can't quite work out which way to put it in. I love that. Thank you, Ellie. That's really lovely. I'll put it there for the minute. Oh, Lala's given us a quote. All people are caught in an inescapable network of mutuality. Martin Luther. Oh, thank you, Lala. Thank you. Got some more. Oh, I just cut that out because I thought it was gorgeous. Pop that in there ready to stick on. Ah, yes. This is a quote from Barbara, and I've got this gorgeous bluey white paper, and I've just written the quote on here. That's probably, now it's a bit big. That's going to go in my other journal, I think. Barbara says, today you are you. That is true. Oh yeah, let me start again, Barbara. Today you are you. That is truer than true. There is no one alive who is youer than you. Oh, Barbara, I love that. Is that from a song? Oh, I love it. Thank you. Let me know if that's from a song. Let me just pop that in this journal here. Thank you so much, Barbara. Just going to start any page, and that can just be, I tell you what, I'm going to just do that, like that, and then I can come in with other pictures. Oh, that might start us off for today, actually. Oh, let me read. Who else? What other fairies did I have? Susan R. Many colours and art supplies. She wanted her fairy to be like that. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, Regina wanted to be a big-hearted fairy. Wonderful. Well, Janet Canada wanted wool and needles in hers. Oh, it's lovely. I look forward to creating more fairies to put in my little journal. Oh, let's have a little snack time. And what I'm going to do is give little Freddie his snack. We're a bit out of routine because the live stream wouldn't work. And this is just a little video instead of the live stream, Freddie. Here you go, my little friend. Thank you, darling. There we are. Right, so what was I doing? Oh yes, I know what I'm going to do. I've got a cup of tea here. What I'm going to do is light a candle. I've got people on my heart, people that have messaged me, and I've written that down, and yeah, really thinking of everybody. And we just use this time just to have a little breath and that's it. Even though we're live, we're still not live. We just need that little bit of quiet time to spend with each other, don't we? Oh, let me just show you what I was making in number one. This is number 2 for today, isn't it? I was making the mushroom. There we are, look. That's Lisa. And she's got a little cup of tea. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she lovely? And there's little Ella coming in. She's dressed as a tree trunk. Isn't she gorgeous? And she's just got a little hole there so she can come through. These are my little, this is the Alice in Wonderland from the other day. Oh, our little Alice in Wonderland tea party. Shall we pull some art prompts? Yes, let's do that. And we can use our art prompts anywhere we like, you know, in our journals, or make a postcard or some happy mail, or yeah. Oh, I had some happy mail from Harmony. Isn't it gorgeous? It's on the desk. That's a message to us all. Sending kind thoughts your way. Thanks, Harmony. When a red bird appears, a loved one is near. Isn't that lovely? Very positive to have on the desk there. Thank you. Little Freddie getting situated. Let's pull some prompts, and you can do one or all of them, or yeah. There we are. What I'm going to do is I will just give you the I won't do them here with you. I shall come back this evening and do mine. Sometimes I just do one of the quotes. You don't have to do them all. It's just something, if it helps, just to get yourself going, really. Look, I'm sitting like this so you can see young Freddie. That's what it's all about, isn't it? So let me put my glasses on. Oh, this is one I love. Magazine. go to page 20 on a magazine. Now, the reason I leave these ones in is because, let me pick a magazine, and it just means you use something on the magazine, but the reason I like this is because it just sits you down, so later I can just sit with a cup of tea and look through this magazine. Julia gave me this one. It's a supermarket magazine, and I've got the rose one as well. But yeah, just even if that's what the art prompts help you to do today, is to relax and read a magazine, that'll be great. But if you want to use page 20, or any of the pages really, you go ahead and do that. So first prompt is page 20 from the magazine. Oh, scrape paint. We always have that one because we like it. But if you don't want to get the paints out, you can use painty paper or crayons. Oh, Laura E put this one in, nostalgia. That's interesting. Looking back, memories, nostalgia. Interesting. Oh, I like this. Isn't that gorgeous? I've got this one. So I'm doing this because I'm looking because, oh, some of them I've crossed out. Dimensional. So that means giving things a bit of a depth. And this one I've put a little frame, and sometimes you can do that with corrugated paper. Dimensional. Oh, lovely. Might even put that in. Paris. Gorgeous. Wow. Okay. Lovely. I will say goodbye. I'm so glad that we could just spend this tiny little bit of time together, get some prompts and learn how to make this little magazine journal together. Let me know what fairy you would like to be in here, won't you? If you want to be, no pressure. And also, let me know if you'd like to have your fairy put on a postcard, and I can send it through the post as happy mail. This is what the fairies look like. They've got little art supplies and bits and pieces in the basket on their head. Give Freddie his, oh, look at him, you don't know, he's just curled up. He says, oh, I don't know whether I'm coming or going today. I don't know whether I'm coming or going, Freddie. Where did I just put the treats down? Oh, that's strange. I can't find them. Oh, down here. Look, oh, I've got to kneel down. I've got to come to you, Freddie. Oh, it's confusing, isn't it, Freddie? There you go, darling. My knees cracking. Take care, everyone. Bye. From both of us. And little Flo as well. Bye.